Did you know that more than 60% of first-time homebuyers in the US overpay simply because they don't know the hidden rules of real estate? What if I told you your dream home could cost way less if you knew the secrets that realtors don't usually share? Welcome to Next Door Empire, the channel where US real estate becomes simple, powerful, and profitable. Here's the truth: real estate in America is full of opportunities, but only for those who understand the system. Want to know why location is more valuable than luxury? How you can qualify for a home with little money down? Or how investors are creating passive income without even owning the property themselves? That's exactly what we cover here. Imagine this: your family holding the keys to a brand new home. With little money down. Big dreams really do go up. That's the power of smart real estate decisions. If building your real estate empire is on your bucket list, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications, because the next video might just change the way you think about money, property, and your future. This is Next Door Empire, where your dream home and future investments are always just one door away.